Hello guys, welcome to Happy Streamers channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to connect Discord to Spotify. So guys, at first go to your Discord. Now go to your profile. Swipe down and tap on connections. Tap on add. Now tap on Spotify. So guys, as you can see, you can log in to Spotify with your Google or Facebook also. Or you can also enter here your Spotify email or username, and you have to enter here your Spotify password and then just tap on login, and then your Discord will be connected to your Spotify. So guys, that's it. That's how you can do it. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching the video.